Taro was a young boy. He lived in a small village with his mother. They had a tiny house near the forest. They were very poor, but they were happy together. Every day, Taro's mother worked hard. She washed clothes for other families. They had very little food. Sometimes they only had one meal a day. One morning, Taro's mother gave him an apple. It was the last apple they had. "This is for your lunch, my dear," she said softly. Taro looked at the beautiful red apple. "Thank you, Mother," he said with a smile. Taro walked to the forest to collect wood for cooking. The forest was quiet and peaceful. Deep in the forest, Taro saw someone. An old man sat under a big tree. He looked very tired and hungry. Taro walked closer. "Hello, sir. Are you okay?" he asked politely. The old man looked up slowly. "I have not eaten for 3 days," he said quietly. "I am so hungry. I have no food and no family." Taro felt very sad for the old man. He thought about his apple. It was his only food. His stomach was empty too. But the old man needed food more than him. Taro made a decision. He took out the red apple from his bag. "Please take this, sir," he said kindly. "You need it more than me." The old man's eyes became wide. "Are you sure? This is your only food." Taro nodded and smiled. "Yes, please eat it. I want to help you." The old man took the apple with shaking hands. Tears came to his eyes. "Thank you, kind boy. You have a beautiful heart." He ate the apple slowly, and color came back to his face. Then something magical happened. The old man stood up straight. His old clothes changed into beautiful white robes. Bright lights surrounded him. He was the kind spirit of the forest. Taro was very surprised. "Do not be afraid," the spirit said gently. "I test the hearts of people. Your heart is pure and kind." The spirit touched the ground. A small tree began to grow. It became a beautiful apple tree with many red apples. "This magic tree is for you and your mother. It will give you apples forever. Remember to share with others who need help." Taro was so happy. Tears of joy came to his eyes. "Thank you so much." The spirit smiled and disappeared into the forest light. Taro ran home and told his mother everything. They went to the forest together. The apple tree was real. From that day, they always had enough food. They shared their apples with poor families in the village. Taro learned an important lesson. When you give kindness to others, kindness comes back to you. The villagers called it Taro's magic tree, and Taro and his mother lived happily ever after.